explanation for the jumping and landing part of impulse and change momentum. You probably have just seen the egg throwing demonstration of impulse. And again, we're going to look at this impulse and change momentum related to the egg throwing. Again, we have an egg and we're throwing it against a curtain here, or a shower curtain. And the egg was moving at some initial velocity to hit the shower curtain. The shower curtain, of course, had some give to it. And then the final velocity of the egg, we're not counting it when it falls to the bottom, the final velocity of the egg was 0. So there's a change in velocity here, v final minus the initial. And the egg's mass is m. The egg mass didn't change. So this mass times change in velocity is the change in momentum. Remember, impulse equals change in momentum. Now, in the curtain, it took a long time to stop, so this time was large. And therefore the net force was rather small. Net force there, which the net force was not large enough, or the force applied to the egg was not large enough to cause the egg to break. Then what we did, we had a piece of wood suspended here, the same egg, which had the same mass, flew about the same speed, so it had the same initial velocity, then it stopped against the wood, and its final velocity was also 0. So it still had mass times change in velocity. These are the same. Mass times change in velocity is the same, so that means the impulse is the same. The difference is, though, this time up here was large, this time here was small. So now if we have a small time, in order for this to remain constant, this force, net force, had to be large enough to cause the egg to break. So this is the impulse change in momentum equation demonstrated 2 different ways.